Well, in today's video, we're going to be taking the first impressions look at these tires here. They are American brand. I highly doubt they made in America. They're very affordable, and you're going to ask, why am I making this video? It's for you that's watching that's on a budget, because I know I sure am, and we trying to find some good decent tires at a good decent budget. You know, not everybody drives, you know, $50,000 to $80,000 cars and still paying $1,000 payments. Some of us drive stuff that's paid for that's under $500 or $1,500 or $3,000, you know, and this is the kind of tires we shop around for because, you know, we're smart. That's the way I think about it. Comment below how you think about it. This is the tires. They American brand. This is the size I got. They 235/45. Just turn your head upside down. 1797W XL version here. So they ought to be able to tow a little bit more weight. Take a look at the tread here. It's got a beautiful tread pattern to it. And that's the part number, and that's the temperature, weight A, traction A, tread wear 500, and it's made for USA, not made in USA, made for. Where's this tire made at anyway? Let's come over here at the side wall and look. So you can see it says outside. It's got this pass thing kind of, you know, not stamped too good. That gives me, I know, you know, super confidence in this. We got a date code on it. Oh, made in Thailand. Yep, made in Thailand with the name American. They made for Americans. I don't see nothing. Well, that's misspelled, ain't it? Tire. Is it? No. Well, here's a max pressure. I can't see it for that. Maybe on the other tire I was spinning around. Oh, I just noticed something. Check out the inside of this tire and check out this inside. Design different. So that shows the quality control. They probably produce these at 2 or 3 different factories, or they got an updated design and one's an older design. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, what was the date code on this? Did you guys see it? I spin around this tire one more time so y'all can see the numbers before we spin them around. It's a sport all season. Spin around here. This one's got the dot. It's got another dot. And the quality control is hopefully on the other side. But inside they look okay. They look like a good tire to me. You know, you can feel the belt missing a little. It's a little poochy up, so is this one. But that's normal with a tire. That's how they usually are. The belts, you know, as you get pressure, pushes out. So you don't have to worry about that. If you run your hand across them and feel a little lump, it's normal. Just a light one now. That's the belts. This one's the same way. They are heavy. I will give them that. I don't see no differences besides the inside of the tire. You can see it's the same tire, same number, just different design. So what I'm thinking, like my chair, like my hole, I broke it the other day. I know you're going to comment on it, so I'm just going to show it off. Anyway, did I just say, do you like my hole? Back to the subject of the video. The quality control on these obviously is questionable. I got these for under $300 online. They on sale for like $270 on eBay. And they got this seller's got nothing but this brand of tires. So tons of good feedback, but I can't vouch on that. I am going to put them on my truck. I am going to run them. I will do an update video in the future, so get subscribed if you're new. As I said before, the tread on the inside, you know, not the tread on the inside, but the inside of the tires are different. But I'm thinking that this is just either a redesigned, improved design, or I got two or three different factories, and they just have shit quality control. But that don't mean they're a bad tire. It just means it's a gamble when you buy them. You know, they got to cut costs somewhere. and you can see why cutting the cost. And as I said before, not everybody needs name brand tires. Some people just need tires to get around on. They on a budget and all that good stuff. I'm just saying. Oh, you like the Camaro? It's getting parted out. eBay store, link in the description below. Let me show you the rims and tires going on. Oh, there was swap. Roll back. Whoa, I about fell. Looking at the camera, trying to walk. Not good for me. I'm clumsy. You like them? They're going on a F-150. I'm gonna do something with the center caps, but I like them a lot better than what we got on them. I'll show you what we're replacing with them. We're replacing these 18-inch aluminum rims, chrome plated, that will not hold air. You have to air these up like every 5 or 6 hours. It's just been a pain. And yes, I know the tire size is not the same as what's going on it. We are lower in this truck. I did a lot of measuring and stuff. These 18-inch rims, those 17s, and for what I was going for, the two, 35, or is it 225, 45 17s that I bought should work perfect for this truck. It should set about as low as it is now before the low one, because I got flats. And that's what you get when you buy a used vehicle. This truck said it needed some work. We picked it up a year or two ago. It's been a good parts runner. And I tried to get every mile I could out of it before doing a lot of maintenance on it. And the tires, I just aired up before I went anywhere. I just going point A, point B. Not too long of a trip. You could manage it. Now the truck, I've been stretching it for longer trips. And the tires are just so much of a hassle and the inconvenience on me that I broke down and bought a new set of tires. And I bought those used Mustang rims to go on it. I think they look very good on it. You can disagree with me. I took a vote with my subscribers now. Had 2 sets of rims. I let them pick. That's what everybody picked. That's what's going on the truck. I think my input is I like them. And if 3/3 of my subscribers like them, then I must have some good taste. So that's what we're putting on it. So hopefully you enjoyed this review video. Get subscribed. I'm sorry for rambling on. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I got straight to the point at the beginning.